Okay, I almost got it.
Okay.
Gonna have to do this for my mom. Ow, that hurts. Okay, I can't do that. It's stuck to nothing!
You're gonna appreciate me videotaping you when you grow up. It's coming up. What? What?
It's falling! I see it, look. And there. I'm trying.
Gosh, you have to wear this kid. Show the tube to me. Where is it? Turn around. Oh my gosh. No, show it to me on your hand. Oh my gosh. Shania!
I pulled it out.
You did!